Alright guys, today we're going to talk about how to sign into your Tinkercad account. You need to go to tinkercad.com, it's right up here, and click join now. Do not hit sign in. It will allow you to, and you can use your Google email to sign in. However, any work you do I cannot see and I cannot give you credit for. So you need to hit join now every time. Don't ever use sign in. You're going to join a class and type in a class code that I will give you. Each class will be different, so don't use the code that I'm typing now. Just use the code that I will give you ahead of time. You should be able to find it on your Google Classroom account. Then you're going to hit go to my class, and it's going to ask you for your nickname. You don't get to make that up. Your nickname will also be provided. When possible, I'm going to give it just your first name and last name. So my first name is Amanda, my last name is Travis, no spaces, no numbers, nothing fancy, and I'm going to say that's me. Okay, it's going to load. And this will be where I do all of my work. When you do it here, I'll be able to see it and help you. We're going to go through a bunch of different tutorials. I'm going to make them into different videos that you can watch. So check back with them and watch them for each one. I want you to walk through all of these tutorials before you start actually creating.